and that is
Okay.
called BRD, Business Requirement Document.
Document. Okay.
This is the exact work you will be getting when you enter into a project.
Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
and we keep on creating BRDs on Confluence page as well.
Hmm.
Requirement document. We note down the requirement on Confluence pages. Sometimes we note down it on Word document. Like depends on the organization what tools they are using. And
Hmm.
it's not only about when we started. Sometimes there is something called change requirement.
Right.
Okay, so when the change requirement happen, we again create a document which is similar to this.
Okay.
Okay, so finance. Okay,
Okay.
for any finance team, not only about banking. So it can, let's say, you can consider a real estate organization.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
and they have their finance department in it.
Okay.
Okay, and we are supposed to create the BRD for it.
Okay.
Yeah. So while creating the BRD, let's suppose we are creating it for dashboarding purpose.
Okay.
This organization wants to have a Power BI dashboard for it, for them.
Okay.
Okay, and
Hmm.
we are supposed to create the business requirement document while
Hmm.
discussing it with the client.
Okay. Got it.
Okay, so how we gonna do it?
Hmm.
Okay, so now in their finance team as well, there will be a lot of KPI,
Okay.
key performance indicator.
Indicator.
Okay,
Okay.
so in sales we have calls to counseling,
Hmm.
uh,
C2P.
counseling to video calls, right? Whatever. So
Uh-huh.
those are KPIs. Okay, I think
Got
this you will remember for long.
right. Right.
Okay, now so we have for dashboarding, no, we have as is report.
क्या report?
As is, this is written over there.
As is. Okay.
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 As is like whatever data they have, they just create the report, and this is their own report, which can be done on
Hmm.
their current system. So this is the requirement. This is what client is sharing with you while on the call with them. This this
ठीक है.
this client, real estate client, they are currently using as is report, which is
Hmm.
created on Excel sheet only. Okay,
Hmm.
this is what they are currently using. Okay,
Got it.
now and they will show you this on the call. While seeing this, you will understand how they are creating, and you will create your wireframe or dashboard. So
Hmm.
what is wireframe? Again, it's a sketch of what they are supposed to do. Okay,
Understood. Hmm.
yeah, it is again done on the similar tool where I'm showcasing, about the XYZ bank, and everything is written over there. So on that tool you can create the wireframe. Okay, we will again go deep into wireframe, but later on. Abhi we are just learning BRD. Okay, so they have given you some sort of a requirement. Okay, you got the requirement. Now how your BRD will look like? First you will go to the intro part of that organization, the client you
Okay.
are with. Okay, you will write, okay, this is a
Hmm.
real estate company, they are working in these so many countries.
Hmm.
Okay, and they are having X, let's say, billion of
Hmm.
revenue each
Okay.
year,
Hmm.
each financial year, basically.
Hmm.
Okay, so this is what you will be writing into it. So whatever information you have, you will write about the organization in the intro part.
Right.
Okay, now objective. In objective, you're gonna write the reporting capabilities. So what is reporting capabilities? Basically, um, the report which we will be providing, is it
Hmm.
be predictive by any chance? Okay, predictive
Okay.
means whether it can predict the sales which gonna happen in next quarter.
Correct. Correct. Prediction.
Yes, no. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
or whether this reporting gonna give them idea of their current inventory. So
Yes.
it's a real estate company, no? So they have a
Hmm.
lot of flats which are available. Can this report give them the status of their inventory? Yes or no, right? So all these things, all the objective of the reporting, we gonna write it over here.
Okay.
Okay. Now see, scope. Scope means what all reports you gonna create.
Hmm. Hmm.
So is it just PNL report you gonna create? PNL is profit and loss report,
Profit
which
and loss. Huh.
every organization keeps it.
Yeah.
Or you're gonna create, let's say sales report as well.
Okay.
Okay,
Depends, huh?
depends, yeah.
Huh.
Or you wanna create, mm, let's say their funnel report. Okay, sales funnel report. Okay, so
Mm.
what is the scope? They need the whole sales report. They need both funnel and sales report, or they want funnel report to be inside sales report. What exactly they need, we're gonna
Huh.
write in the scope.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Now limitation and constraints. So obviously there will be some limitations, no, that okay, this is something we can't do
Huh,
because
huh,
of so
huh.
and so reason.
Okay.
Like for example, data refresh frequency. So how often they want the data to get refreshed in the report.
Hmm.
Okay. So sometimes you as a business analyst might not know
Hmm.
about all these things, but while discussing, you will just get the requirement, just note it down and done.
Acha,
And in
got
the whole process, you will be doing bit of R&D just to understand if you are confused.
okay.
Okay. Now, what will be their data source? Is it Oracle Fusion? Is it, as we discussed, their on-premises, they have something, there is something called SharePoint there.
Hmm.
They're going to
Hmm.
share us the Excel sheets on SharePoint, or how this organization gonna give us the source of the data.
Okay.
Then dashboard component.
Hmm.
Okay. So what all components we can provide in the dashboard, which we are going to create.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay. So all the name of the charts which are there in Power BI.
Hmm.
There are a lot of charts and graphs and figures which we can provide. So
Okay.
what all figures we are going to keep in our Power BI dashboard, we will be writing here.
Okay.
Okay. Then you can see key metrics and KPIs.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Okay. So
Hmm. Yeah.
key metrics and KPIs, they might be able to share everything with us, or they can give us some Excel sheets, okay, where we as a business analyst will analyze that sheet, figure out the KPI, and note it down over here. Okay, so you can see here break time by dimension, region wise,
Hmm.
split by city. So let's say this is for their inventory. So Western, how many inventory they have? By city, how many inventory they have, right? So we're gonna keep all these uh, as a KPI in that particular dashboard.
Can you just repeat that last point?
So let's suppose they have given us a Excel sheet. Okay,
Okay.
in
Huh.
that Excel sheet, the information is written about their inventory, their sales, and everything. We
Okay.
will create the KPI out of those. So let's say
Acha.
we get to know, okay, they have given region, they have given city, they have given sales
Hmm.
as well, they have given
Hmm.
inventory also.
Hmm.
So what we can create a KPI, चलो inventory है तो inventory by city कर दो, inventory by region कर दो.
हाँ, थोड़ा सेग्रीगेट करना इधर उधर.
Yes, yes, yes. तो
ओके,
वो एक
गॉट.
KPI हो जाएगा.
हाँ, गॉट इट, गॉट इट.
Just need to keep in mind that it should be useful for them
हाँ,
as a
एग्जैक्टली.
business.
हम्म.
Okay. So once you do it, you can discuss with the client, okay, we did this. Is it gonna be of any use for you? Should we keep it or should we remove it?
हाँ, गॉट इट. अंडरस्टूड.
Now user roles and permissions. So basically when we create that particular report, who can
ओके.
see it, who can make changes in it, right? And from the
हम्म.
client side basically.
हम्म.
Because we can't allow everyone to edit it.
एग्जैक्टली,
Yeah.
हाँ.
So what are permissions we are going to provide, those will be listed over here. How many users, how many edits possible, any developer can develop it or make changes or whatsoever it is.
ओके, ओके, या.
Then come dashboard layout and design. So we're gonna just paste it over here. Again, a
हम्म.
wireframe. We can create on a tool, online tool, and we can
ओ,
just paste it, or maybe we can create it on PPT and just take the screenshot and paste it over here.
ठीक है, ठीक है. हाँ.
Data refresh, automation, information जो भी है इसकी यहाँ पे put करी. our
हाँ,
main agenda is to get the sign off, as simple as that.
so this is a proper format we have to follow.
No, so every organization have a format. Okay,
अच्छा.
generic format I will show you, don't worry. अभी
तो
इसके बाद
you are just telling me for my understanding ऐसा होता है.
yes, so you can say it is as a case study or example कि exactly
ठीक
इस
है.
तरीके से बनाया जाता है.
Okay, got it, yeah.